Welcome back. This is a live look outside right now, right outside our studios in San Luis Obispo. It's a little bit dark out there at the moment.
Just a little bit.
Just a little bit. If we could pan the camera, maybe look at some traffic. There we go. A few cars out on the highway at the moment. Some foggy conditions as well. Pretty similar to our forecast that we had yesterday. But let's take a look now at your current conditions outside. Temperatures right around the mid-50s for Santa Maria, San Luis Obispo, and Lompoc. Upper 50s in Santa Barbara. Some fog out there, and low 60s right now for Paso Robles, but mostly clear skies there. Winds, they're fairly calm. We're not expecting them to pick up until about maybe 3 o'clock this afternoon. And your satellite radar shows some more mid to high level cloud cover just moving over the area in association with that fog. So what we can expect this morning, maybe some drizzle in areas like Guadalupe as you're heading out the door. By late morning, expect the clearing for the coastal valleys. Could be a little bit more stubborn to clear, though, near the coast, which is something that we see pretty much every day. But your microclimate model kind of details that here. So as you can see, right around 10 o'clock this morning, there's still some stratus there in the inland valleys like for Paso, and then some of our coastal valleys too. We'll have some pockets of clearing open up along the coast right around 4 o'clock this afternoon, and then it's expected to sweep right over the area later tonight and then hang around in those overnight hours. So similar conditions once again for Wednesday. We'll start with the fog, and then we'll get some of that clearing and some mid to high level cloud cover by the afternoon. Here's a look at your hourly forecast for Paso. Temperatures close to those low 60s through about 9 o'clock, but they quickly warm up actually heading into about noon today. You can see we're right around the low 90s. Winds will start to increase closer to 2 o'clock this afternoon, getting pretty close to 15 miles per hour. But daytime highs, they're cooling down for our interior valleys today. First, let's take a look here at your wind forecast for other areas of the Central Coast. You can see it does start to pick up more for Santa Maria, Solvang. Near the South Coast region, areas like Santa Barbara, close to about 10 to 15 miles per hour for your Tuesday, and then along the North Coast, similar conditions there as well. Heading into about 8, 9 o'clock tonight, that's when those winds will start to taper off. But just to look at your peak wind forecast, Cambria, not too bad. Same thing for Santa Barbara there, but you can see for Paso, Santa Ynez, some of those inland areas, those wind gusts could reach about 25 miles per hour. For San Luis Obispo, closer to 15 miles per hour. We've been talking a lot about this high pressure that's been building over the region since last week. So you can see the ridging here. It starts to kind of shift to the east, and then it's going to weaken, and that's going to allow for our temperatures to cool down a little bit more for those interior valleys. So instead of being in triple digits, we're expecting to be close to those low to mid 90s through the end of your week for those inland valleys. Here's a look at your daytime highs. We have 77 for San Luis Obispo today, 80 degrees in Santa Barbara, Santa Ynez Valley from the mid to upper 80s, low 70s in Carpinteria, mid 70s in Goleta. The 5 cities region, some favorable weather there, upper 60s to about the low 70s, 66 in Los Osos, and we have mid to upper 60s today along the North Coast. I'll send it back to you, Dustin.
Brooke, thank you very much.